Hey guys, Sheldon here with VSL, and today I'm going to give you a rundown on an app that I downloaded from the Apple Store, not available for Android yet, to help you with your screen time. And basically what this app does is it allows you to program or set a timer for how much time you want to be able to use an app before you have to go outside and take a picture of grass. Let's get into it. So like I said, I came across this app and thought I would go ahead and download it. And I had to download it from the Apple Store. It is not available for Android yet. And here it is right here. Touch Grass helps you reduce your screen time. So we'll just fly by these next few slides. You have a little intro there, tells you what they're going to do before you get started and to help you break the habit and all that neat stuff. They want to know a little bit about you and what your goal is. And then it's time to connect to some of your Apple services, such as your screen time. So you get this little pop-up. Do you want to continue or not allow? And as you probably know, with a lot of these apps, it should be continue or don't bother. Go ahead and remove the app because it's not going to do anything unless you allow it. So we're going to go ahead and allow it access to the screen time. Then it needs access to your camera so you can go ahead and take pictures of grass when you are prompted to. It also needs access to send you notifications so it can pop up and tell you, hey, it's time to take a picture. And so it also wants to access your location, and part of that is so that it can determine by the time of day if it's safe for you to go outside and take a picture. And what this does is it allows you to do skips, and you get one free skip a month. Over on the far right here, you can pay for more skips, and half the revenue goes towards planting a tree, which is kind of neat. I preferred or just selected not to enable skips. So here you can select your plan. You have a monthly, you can pay annually, which is cheaper, or you can try it free for a week. If you do try it free, which is what I did, you will only be able to utilize this on 2 apps. You sign into your Apple Store and move on. We're going to start by selecting our app. I wanted to do Facebook, so I clicked on social, which showed all my social apps, and then I selected Facebook. And then we can go ahead and select what we mean by quick breaks and medium breaks. So we can see that I've got Facebook set up with a quick break of 15 minutes and a medium of 60 minutes. And apparently from a little research I've done, it always has an issue loading your screen time unless you shut down the app and then bring it back up. So I did that for the last slide or last panel. So now when I want to open up Facebook, the icon is kind of dimmed out. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And to get started, I have to touch grass. And it's telling me it's going to prompt me to do so. And then when you take a picture, it scans to verify it's actually grass. And on this screen, you can go ahead and determine how long you want to go ahead and run your app. So a short break, for example, would mean after 15 minutes, I want a break. So it's a short time using the app. Or I want to do a longer break, such as 60 minutes, or you can run it until midday. Not sure what midday is. But anyways, once you click on one of those buttons, your app will open up. I'm not going to bother opening the app. But if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments.